In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive files and folders. This is a crucial skill for both personal and professional settings, enabling seamless collaboration and efficient information sharing. So, let's dive right in to simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Google Drive homepage. This is your hub for all things Google Drive, where you'll have access to your documents, spreadsheets, and other files. Simply open your preferred web browser and search for Google Drive. Once you log into your account, you'll see your files and folders laid out before you. It's like entering your own personal digital office. Now that you're inside your Google Drive, the next step is to locate the specific file or folder you want to share. This might be a document you've been working on, a presentation, or even a whole folder containing multiple files. Once you've found the item, hover over it and you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots appear on the right hand side. This is your gateway to more options, so go ahead and give it a click. After you click on the 3 dots, a drop down menu will appear. Here you'll want to focus on the share option. Hover over this option with your mouse and then click on it. This action will open up a new window specifically designed for file sharing. The sharing window is a powerful tool allowing you to control exactly who can see or edit your files. In the sharing window, you'll see a field where you can type in email addresses. This is where you'll input the emails of the people you want to share the file or folder with. As you're typing, take advantage of the autocomplete suggestions that appear, which can save time if you're frequently sharing with the same contacts. After entering the email addresses, look closely at the permission settings next to the names. You can choose what level of access each person has, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Once you've added all the necessary emails and configured the permissions to suit your needs, it's time to make your selection official. At the bottom of the sharing window, there's a blue Send button. By clicking this, you're initiating the share, sending out an invitation through email to the people you selected, granting them access to your file or folder. And just like that, with the click of a button, you've successfully shared your Google Drive content. Congratulations on mastering the art of sharing files on Google Drive. With these steps, you can empower your team to collaborate effortlessly, keep your information organized, and ensure everyone has the access they need. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.